Namaste and welcome to day 3 of the 10-day Ageless Glow Mode Challenge. See, aging is not about stopping time. It is about helping your body breathe again. See, जब हमारी breathing shallow होती है ना और हम सारा time rushing from this work to that work, our skin is suffocating. And when your breath deepens, every cell just lights up naturally. See, मैंने खुद ही अपने आप में देखा है. At 44, my skin is feeling much better than much more alive than what it did in my 20s, because I finally learned to pause, to relax, to listen to my body. And आज हम वही explore करेंगे how the sacred science behind slowing down, how you touch your body, how you touch with the oil, with awareness, because this can switch the body from aging to healing. आप देखेंगे एज बढ़ने की जगह हो सकता है उल्टी चलने लग जाए. So take a deep breath in. Now take your 3 organic oil. So I am using rose geranium oil, but if you have a oily skin, you can use the jojoba tea tree oil. And how do we do it? We take 1 pump and जब तक मैं स्टोरी बोलती जाऊंगी आप उसको अच्छे से मसाज करेंगे on each and every point, including your wrist, inside the fingers, every point, with a lot of awareness. See, क्या होता है जब हम अपनी स्किन की ऐसे मसाज करते हैं ना with a lot of awareness, you're not just touching the surface, you are communicating with your nervous system. हमारा nervous system lives here. हमारा nervous system gets activated with touch. और उसको मैसेज मिलता है I am safe and I can heal. And that's why we say real skincare तभी होता है when you attend to the roots. See, the कुमकुमादी ऑयल जो हम अपने फेस पे मसाज करते हैं, that is not just a product. वो एक मैसेंजर है. It carries peace and love into the cells, oxygen to your skins, and it calms the mind. See, no chemical can create that. Only real products and real connection, when done with love, can do that. और आज हम मिलेंगे सुमा से, जिनका एक बहुत छोटा सा बच्चा है, स्लीपलेस नाइट्स है. आपको भी पता है कि एंड मेनी ऑफ यू हैव मेट हर. शी कम्स टू आवर सैटरडे सभाज कैरिंग हर बेबी. बेबी भी हेयर फॉल की क्लास में पूरा सुनने के लिए आता था उनका. एंड डिस्पाइट हैविंग अ स्मॉल बेबी, शी शोज अप फॉर हर सेल्फ एवरी मॉर्निंग. रोज उन्होंने पूरा चैलेंज, हमारा लास्ट चैलेंज, अच्छे से किया. व्हेन शी जॉइंड द क्लासेस शी यूज्ड टू फील टायर्ड, आईज में वो हैवी दिखता था. बट जैसे वो रोज करती रही, डिस्पाइट her responsibilities, because as many of you already said in your various talks with us, if you don't take care of yourself, तो बच्चे का ध्यान कौन रखेगा? Look at her now, look at her picture now, so bright, look at the smile. See, this is not makeup, this is a body that remembers to slow down and breathe again. And this is exactly what Tree Organics and UVAP stand for, helping you find that breath, that love and life back into your skin. Now place your hand on your heart and say it with me. I see myself in Suma. If her body can remember peace, I will also find. And let's hear it from Suma herself.
These marks are staying from past 2 years. Acne was coming like every month. It was too much actually. So it's like trial error karte like came to a stage where I get only monthly 1 or 2. So it's kind of this ritual added up, like morning ritual and evening ritual added up. So we never knew we should do those things. In my pregnancy, it was like boils everywhere. It was boils. This is the fact. Whenever I search what to do for this mark, search pregnant ladies cannot use, nursing ladies cannot use. Right. So I get only chemicals, which I can't use. I can't even some of the Ayurvedic products also that are like Manjushta and all. It is superpower. Even that I can't use. So I started now like I'm coming back, getting back to things what I was doing before. Because I was carrying, I stopped everything. No chemicals, nothing. When I came to an approach that day, I clarified with her, can I use this? Where she told clearly that this is completely Ayurvedic, I can use it. And as I'm using like on and off, of course, but last 10 days I'm using, I didn't face any problem. So that's the good point. I'm completely introverted, so I don't speak much. Initially, I used to sit like this
Okay, just the eyes.
and my abacus. That's all I used to show only this much.
Okay, background में बात कर
Now
रहे
I
हो.
have come till here. It's like the 9 o'clock session. It has become my routine now. So when I joined Trehi, it's like she changed it to uh, sesame oil, till oil, right? So that I start oil pulling. So kind of it will blow up. So
Okay.
nobody told me that. They were like, okay, you use coconut oil, you use coconut, fresh coconut, organic coconut. I was using that. This has made a change. I think this has brought the glow. And that day I brought the acne kit where
Okay,
you had
that.
an offer. Yeah, so I had that kit. So I am using the same kit.
Oh,
So I am using that one as well.
okay.
I am happy. The overall approach is very good. I think you are doing a lot of background work. Okay. So what this minute, 2 minutes have to do, what this 2 minutes has to do, you are doing a lot of background work. I can see that. आप इतने calls attend करते हो, मैं भी इतने ही calls attend करती हूँ with the baby. So even I will be like tensed end of the day. So end of the day, पूरा ritual करके सो जाओ. So you are doing really a great job. Try Trehi.
Okay.
Try. Give a try. When you try only, you'll get to know what happens.
Okay, so very nice, very nice. Keep pressing your palms and feel the smell. Feel the energy. Okay, so if you are ready for the session, comment ready, your name, and day 3. So ready, Priyanka, day 3. Ready, Suma, day 3, to mark your attendance. And please share your pictures, the day 3 pictures after this class in the WhatsApp community, because one, I will see it personally, and if there is anything which is lacking, we will comment and we will tell you one-on-one if anything you need to add on the diet or anything. So make sure to do that. I will see you in the bathroom ritual now. Hello, welcome to the bathroom ritual. So I have my 3 kit ready. I hope you have ready as well. So अभी हम क्या करेंगे? We will do the full face and neck massage with some new moves that we learn. Okay, so we start with the toner first. मुझे लगता है करते ही जाओ. See, हमेशा जब भी हम ऑयल्स के साथ वर्क करते हैं, we have to remember always on a damp skin. Dry skin पे ऑयल्स नहीं यूज करते, damp skin पे करते हैं. I first start with my neck, so I will take 1 pump of rose geranium body oil. If you have oily skin, then you will take the jojoba tea tree. But if you have normal to dry skin, you will take the rose geranium. So single pump only. So ऑयल की जो क्वांटिटी होती है ना, वो भी हमें अपने हिसाब से फिगर आउट करनी होती है. बहुत ड्राई वेदर में है, जैसे आई टेल यू माई एक्सपीरियंस. व्हेन आई वेंट टू लंदन, तो मुझे सेम इतने से ऑयल में काम नहीं चलता था. आई यूज टू टेक लाइक 2 or 3 times दिस ऑयल, बट जब मैं बॉम्बे में आई, देन 1 pump इज इनफ. सो इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट इज द मॉइस्चर लेवल इन द एयर, एंड दैट इज वाई कोई टीचर आपको नहीं बता सकता कि सिर्फ एक ही पंप. कई बार हो सकता है आप बिल्कुल ही you're feeling very dry, so your skin will tell you. So put it on a damp skin, massage nicely, and as per your skin आप उतना लेंगे. और नेक का जब भी हम मसाज करते हैं, इट्स बोथ साइड्स, आगे एंड पीछे. एंड नेक की मसाज करते टाइम, सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज, ये कान के पीछे 3 इस तरह से हम फिंगर रखेंगे दोनों साइड. ओके, और इस पॉइंट को हमें, कान के पीछे आपको थोड़ा सा एक गड्ढा लगेगा, दैट पॉइंट यू आर गोइंग टू प्रेस फॉर द नेक्स्ट 30 seconds. Deep breathing, so this is where we do it. यू नो ये जो पॉइंट होता है ना, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो से दिस इज लाइक अ लॉक. जैसे जैसे हमारी एजिंग ज्यादा होती है ना, ये लॉक टाइट होने लग जाता है, और फिर क्या होता है कि आपका न्यूट्रिएंट का फ्लो नीचे ऊपर में ट्रांसफर नहीं होता ठीक से, एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू नो स्किन स्टार्ट सैगिंग, देयर इज लाइक ऑलवेज यू नो यू फील टायर्ड. दोनों साइड पे 3-3 उंगली रख के कान के पीछे. दिस इज द लॉक पॉइंट, यू कैन कॉल इट. Okay, now we come to the eyes. So we are going to take our skin glow roll on. You can also use, if you have like a lot of you think eyes area में बहुत wrinkles हैं, so you can use the delay aging roll on. And if it is not wrinkles but more dullness, dry skin, तो skin glow roll on जो flaxseed का है, omega 3 rich, that one is more suitable. Okay? और करना क्या है? Infinity बनाना है. यहाँ से गए 8 का साइन. Stop here for 20 seconds. Deep breath. You know, because of this applicator, you can press it at the various acupressure points. जब हम कर रहे हैं, सेंटर में किया, आईब्रो की आर्च में किया, कॉर्नर ऑफ द आईज, एंड जो टीयर डक्ट्स होते हैं ना, here. See, यहाँ पे लोगों के पफिनेस बैग्स आते हैं इस एरिया में. Now, if you do this type of massages regularly, those things can't happen. And even if they are, वो धीरे धीरे अपना जाना start कर देंगे. And now, I will just massage it. Always with very deep breath. In the tear ducts and then taking it towards your temple. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Like this, you make sunglasses, like yeah, cute sunglasses. And क्या करना है? ऐसे. So sunglasses लेके उसको बड़ा करना है. Okay? So उससे क्या होगा कि पूरे एरिया में हमें मसाजिंग बेनिफिट मिलेगा like this. Okay, now we come to our cheeks and forehead area. So, like if you have a dry skin or a normal skin, you will use कुमकुमादी oil. Let's say आपके पुराने scars हैं जिसके ऊपर आप work चाहते हैं तो कुमकुमादी oil. But let's say you have a oily skin or you have right now you are in an environment where you feel more oily. या जैसे आपको लगता है कि एक्ने है, एक्टिव एक्ने, सो देन द एक्ने कंट्रोल नाइट ऑयल इज वेरी गुड बिकॉज इट हैज टी ट्री, जोजोबा, रोजमेरी. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स हेल्प विद एक्ने रिडक्शन. सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आपका क्या स्किन टाइप है, यू विल चूज द फेस ऑयल एज पर दैट. ओके, सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज आई विल टेक जस्ट 2 ड्रॉप्स. बहुत ज्यादा तेल का जरूरत नहीं होता, बट अगेन यू नो वी हैव टू रीड what is our body trying to say. Let's say कोई बहुत ठंडी जगह पे है, maybe 5 बूंद भी लगेगा. And right now because I'm in Bombay, I'm using 2 drops. Like this. कान पे गए, कान से नीचे neck पे. From under the eyes to the ears and then down from the neck. Forehead. Today we are giving special focus on the forehead. We'll make, you make the finger like this and नीचे से ऊपर. Now what we are going to do? See, a lot of forehead wrinkles, they don't come because of aging. A lot of them come because of the stress. So अभी जो हम step करेंगे, this works particularly well for the stress that is stored in this area. So we take the two hands, do like this and give it a vibration. In vibration motion, we take it up from the center of the eyebrows to up, right side, left side. Make sure you start pulling from a little bit under your eyebrows because इस area में lot of things are stored. Okay? So यहाँ से हम ऊपर pull करेंगे and vibrating motion. Okay. Now, time for lip balm. Today I am using coffee flavor because I like coffee today, not always, today. I don't drink coffee, but this is very good for people who are coffee addicts and want some replacement कि दिन में 4 कप पीते हैं, ये करने से कम maybe I reduce it by 1 time, okay? Smells like coffee. And you know what? People ask us कि what are the, this is such a big jar जो lip balm का है. Normally lip balms जो होते हैं वो 4 gram का होता है. This is a 15 gram pack that we make. So what are the other uses for lip balm? See, lip balm जो है ये, because this is made with like pure butters and oils, you can use it for multiple purpose. Like I'll tell you दो आज हम use करेंगे. One is for cuticles. ये जो मेरी fingers के cuticles है ना, I will put it there because a lot of people get lot of dead skin nails के चारों तरफ, and वो जब खुलती है dead skin and all, it pains, plus it makes the nails look not so good. So that is why हम लोग cuticle massage करेंगे आज using the lip balm. So these are multiple uses. I'll teach you of the lip balm because honestly I use it सोने से पहले ना मैं अपनी feet पे feet and ankles पे एड़ी पे लगा के, because sometimes थोड़ा वो मैं नंगे पाँव इतना घूमती हूँ खराब हो जाता है. So I put it at the time of sleeping और सुबह तक आप देखेंगे all the feet they're looking very nice. So that's also one good use for the lip balm. The other use is here. See, this area is particularly dry. So रात को सोने से पहले you can do here, on the hands and cuticles and on the feet. So you will see your lip balm is like a miracle balm for the full body. And this way you can also use the big pack that we make, because that's why we make a 15 gram pack. मतलब इतनी 4 ग्राम के लिए इतना packaging waste करना, I think it's cruel on the earth. इतना फेंकते हैं हम लोग, So at least it better be some size and we can use it in multiple ways. See, because हमारे hands की जो skin होती है, it's a little thinner. Like जैसे lips का होता है ना, it tends to get lot dry. Same way under the feet, सोते टाइम अगर हम इसे लगाते हैं, so again it will give very good results. You see it. In fact, अगर आपका कभी कुछ event है जहाँ पर आपको feet वगैरह display करने हैं, so you put it under a socks and 1-2 घंटे में ही देखना. So you put this like अच्छी quantity में आपने lip balm लगाया and socks पहन ली और 2 घंटे में उसको remove कर दो. All right, now we go out in the sun for grounding. Okay, I see you downstairs.
dir dir ta na 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 ton dir 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 ta na 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 dir 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 ta na na na.
Okay, so now we sit down on the earth, bare feet, touch the earth first, and then we will do 5 times Om chanting first. With the sky, with the sun, with the earth. Okay, 5 times Om chanting. Rub your palms. Can you see all the birds are also doing Om chanting with us? Put it on your face. 3 times. Okay, now we are going to look at the sun only if the sun is soft and you are comfortably able to look. See, because this capacity develops over time. So if you are comfortably able to look, then you will look at the sun for 30 seconds. Otherwise, we just close the eyes. Okay? Close your eyes and see the sun's shadow coming over here. Focus on that shadow for 30 seconds. All right. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to look left and look right. जितना neck को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप move कर सकते हैं. Okay? So first we are going to do like this. Then we are going to do this side. और move करना है. Hold at that point for 10 seconds. Then we come back and then this side. और breathing करते हुए करना है ये सब कुछ. Okay? Breathe in deep. You should feel your breath with every step that we are doing. Okay?
ah
Now the other side. And relax your shoulders as you do this. Now we come to the center. Okay, so now we are going to do face tapping. All right? मेक श्योर एक एक पॉइंट हमने इतनी अच्छी मसाज करी है अभी बाथरूम में, तो ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट को हम टैप करेंगे बिकॉज दिस रियली इंक्रीजेज द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट वी हैव अप्लाइड. So pure product and pure rituals. A little bit on the neck, but neck पे हल्के हाथ, especially on the front side. See, your body will tell you a lot of things, provided you listen, right? यहाँ पे हल्का. All right, so now we begin the face yoga. I will go to the studio, but you sit here and do the face yoga exercises. At least for the next 10 minutes, sit outside and then do. Because I have to go to a studio, but you can sit 15 minutes tak baithna, then you can go for the rest of the exercises, you can go inside. Okay. So let's start with fish face with resistance. What do? We make a fish face, suck your cheek in to create a fish face, and then we are going to put some pressure by pulling it from this side. So inhale before forming the fish face, hold for 10 seconds and release and exhale. And we are going to do it 3 times. This is really good for cheek muscles, define cheekbones and reduces sagging. Okay, let's start. So we are doing 3 times, 3 rounds we are going to do. Hold for 10 seconds, release. Second time. Third time. Take a deep breath. Now we are going to do smile resistance exercise. So how do we do it? You place your fingertips on the corners of the mouth and then we smile against the resistance of the fingers. So apply pressure using these fingers, smile, hold it for 5 seconds and relax. Inhale before you are smiling, hold for 5 seconds and exhale as you release. So breathing has to go along with this. And this we are going to do 5 times. This is again very good for cheek and this entire area. Okay, let's do it. Inhale as you do this. Inhale, hold, exhale. So breath work has to go along with all these exercises. Release. Third time. last time. Really. Alright, so now this is without teeth exercise. What do? We cover the teeth and form an O shape. And you do inhale before forming the shape, hold for 10 seconds and exhale as you relax. So we are just covering the teeth, forming an O, holding, releasing. So this again is good for cheek strengthening and lower face strengthening, entire area. Okay, so we make O, cover the teeth, make a O, hold, release. Do it 3 times. Very well. Now the next one is one side balloon hold. You fill one cheek with air, hold it for 10 seconds, switch it to the other side, hold it for 10 seconds. And how are we going to breathe in this? Inhale deeply before inflating on one side, hold, exhale as you switch, then inhale and then exhale as you switch sides. Okay, we repeat on 3 times each side. So this is very good for individually strengthening one cheek at a time, because sometimes we have to do individual side exercises, one side for the left side of the face and then for the right side, because both the muscles should work independently well as well. Okay, let's start. Alright, the next exercise, we are going to play some nice music for you, and then it is laughter exercises. Okay, so you are going to laugh out really loud, पूरा एकदम जोर से हंसना है, जैसे बहुत जोर से हंसी आई आपको. Okay, so we are going to raise our hands and laugh out loud. Okay, let's start. Okay, had fun. All right, now we begin our meditation segment. So here we are focusing on breath, awareness and stillness. See, meditation is one of the most powerful anti-aging tools. इससे हमारा स्ट्रेस हार्मोन डाउन होता है, स्लीप बेटर होती है एंड नर्वस सिस्टम काम डाउन हो जाता है. See, we have to continue this practice every single day. And you know, inside the YouApp application, we do live meditation 3 times a day, 6 a.m., 1:30 p.m. and 9 p.m. और अगर ये टाइम भी नहीं सूट करता तो रिकॉर्डिंग्स आर देयर फॉर द नेक्स्ट 24 hours, so you can do it any time in your own time, but still do it. Okay, so you just open the app, look in the meditation live classes which are there, enter your class, either the live class or the recorded one. Either one is fine, just do it every day. See, remember, काम जो होता है ना, वही हमारी बायोलॉजी को अंदर से चेंज करता है. Let's start the practice today.
So let us begin with the first step of connecting ourselves to the all-pervading power of divine love. Let us close our eyes, spread our palms in the front as shown in the image, and with all humility and desire, let us seek that connection to the all-pervading power of God Almighty. And this connection we get with the help of Mother Kundalini, which lies within us at the base of the spine. So let us pray. O Mother Kundalini, please rise and establish my connection with the all-pervading power. Please make me realize the existence of this power which does everything in this world. O Mother Kundalini, please establish a state of thoughtlessness within me. Correct me so that I remain always enveloped in His love. With a deep desire within, let us pray. O Mother Kundalini, please take away all my thoughts. Please make me thoughtless. Please make me thoughtless, O Mother. Please make me thoughtless. With these prayers, most of us can see a difference in us. The thought process is coming down considerably. If still there are some thoughts within, you can pray again that these thoughts get removed. Ultimately, this process would take us into a state of complete thoughtlessness and peace. So let us now pray for our channel which is on the left side of the body, which is known as the Ida Nadi. This Nadi controls our emotions, our past, and all our desires. So here we have to surrender our past, our desires and emotions to our Mother Kundalini, who is capable of working on all these problems, so that this channel is re-energized and we come into a state of balance. So let us keep our left hand in the front and the right palm on the Mother Earth. Let us make some affirmations. O Mother Kundalini, I surrender my past to you. Past which has gone by, which has no bearing on the present. I surrender to you, Holy Mother. I also surrender my desires, all those desires which take me into imbalance. I surrender my emotions, which take me away from reality, away from balance. Mother Kundalini is the only one who can bring us out of these problems. So, without making any effort from our side, let us leave it to her. Let us give her some time to work and observe within as to how things are becoming better. If we feel that we are still bogged down by the thoughts of the past, by our emotions and desires of the past, let us humbly once again surrender to Holy Mother. This process may take time. Have patience, it will happen. If thoughts from the past are disturbing you in any way and not letting you relax, please pray again to Holy Mother to take all these negative things from within you. Very humbly, let her power work upon it. If there is anything which tries to pull you towards the past emotions, again pray to Mother Kundalini. Pray to her, saying, "Oh Mother, please take away all these imbalances which are trying to take me into emotional disbalance, into depression, and into the past thoughts." We might slowly feel tingling sensation or cool breeze flowing into our left palm. And we might also feel something going out of our right palm into the Mother Earth. We need to just watch this happening. We just need to surrender. which normally overtakes us due to these problems of the left side, are slowly receding. The fear of the unknown, the fear of uncertainty, slowly disappears from within ourselves. This is the proof that our Ida Nadi, the left channel, is improving. If for any reason you feel there's something still lacking, even after surrendering to Mother Kundalini, things are still not moving the way they should. We must take a stance of getting rid of all these problems, a strong desire. If our desire is strong to move away from all these problems of the past, of our emotions, then Mother Kundalini will be freely be able to work on our system. So we have to take a strong stand and let Mother Kundalini work. If anything is disturbing, just say, not this, not this. I want to come out of the problem of the Ida Nadi, the left side. I let Mother Kundalini work on me. I don't want to stick to these problems. I completely surrender, completely move away from these problems. By now, we must have understood that we find solution to all the problems when we allow the power of divine to work it out within us. The problem which seemed humongous till now would look minuscule in front of His grace. And whenever the thought of the problems hit us back, we can shield ourselves by getting into a state of meditation. To make ourselves stronger, we can go through the guided meditation of the chakra we meditated on in this session. This will help us to spontaneously move away from the problems one would face and enjoy the bliss. All the knowledge and the techniques which we experienced or understood are a gift to the humanity by Her Holiness Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi, who started Sahaj Yoga in 1970 to emancipate the whole world. For more details, please check the link below. Thank you and hope you have enjoyed this session.